you're looking for a Japanese food here in the Philippines, we have a lot to offer. But syempre, one of my favorite, Kimono Ken. Masarap ang food nila dito. They have a very authentic food, Japanese food. And Kimono Ken Mall of Asia branch. And also, marami silang branch around Metro Manila. So, well, I'll show you the menu and also the food na mga favorite ko ditong lafa sa Kimono Ken. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I-click nyo ng notification bell. And also, yun, beautiful ako, wala lang. Feeling ko lang I'm gorgeous today. So, yun lang, subscribe lang sa channel. And watch also my other review and mukbang food adventure dito sa channel ko. This is Kimono Ken Mall of Asia branch. Been here couple of times and very good service. But I think they can improve the attentiveness of the staff for the outdoor alfresco diners. So then here are some of our favorite food at Kimono Ken. Mixed sushi. Oh, this one is tasty and presentable. This one is breaded pork with rice and egg. This one yung fried rice nila. Tasty to, masarap. I recommend this one. And small cup lang siya. Tama lang yung serving niya. And tastes good. Crispy vegetable tempura. Masarap to. Very delicious. This one another sushi. And my auntie said she loves it. And yes, all-time favorite, my favorite shrimp tempura. And also they have the mixed tempura. Includes vegetable and fish. Ito hands down ako dito kasi masarap talaga at crispy. And I don't like na yung tempura na hindi crispy. And this one, crispy ang tempura nila. Since favorite ko to, medyo nabitin lang ako sa serving nila ng mixed tempura. But anyway, it's very good and tasty. Masarap at maganda ang quality ng Japanese food nila dito. Soft tofu with sauce. Oh, favorite ko to. This is healthy and delicious. Recommended to. Miso soup. Yes, all-time favorite Japanese food. Miso soup. And yes, the best tong kani salad nila. Crab meat salad, kani salad. One of my favorite. And also favorite ng tita ko. Delicious to. Recommended ko tong dish na to. Tama lang ang serving niya and masarap. And this is chicken yakitori. Chicken barbecue. Eksakto lang yung luto nila and masarap. Masarap din yung sauce na ginagamit nila sa chicken yakitori nila. And this is the watermelon shake. Very, very refreshing. Ayan. And this is the pork gyoza. So there you go guys, that's all yung mga favorite namin kinakain sa Kimono Ken Restaurant. And here's the menu with prices na rin para aware kayo sa mga other food nila and sa price na rin. Aside from tasty food sa Kimono Ken, I think the price is also fine and reasonable. Anyway everyone, thank you for watching this video and my review. Well, I hope naging helpful and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for more videos and reviews.